So I hope you've been following my progress on refurbishing this old sock knitting machine. I've cleaned a lot of the machine up. I'm still in the process of sorting it all out and cleaning it, but I'm just cleaning up these needles. I have ordered some more, but I just want to give these a clean just in case the ones I've ordered don't fit. So what I've done is I've cleaned them twice, and I've given them a really good clean, and this really is just the final clean as a precaution. And what I've done is I've got this brass brush and I give them a good scrub with this. Obviously it's a lot easier if I'm not holding the camera because I can use both hands, but I give them a good hard scrub with this brass brush, and then on both sides, and then I use this alcohol cleaning solution, which is really good stuff because you can clean all your bits and pieces up with it and then it just evaporates off, which is really good. So I give them a clean with the wire brush, and then to clean any residue off I give them another scrub with this alcohol. A really good scrub on both sides, and I make sure that the little needle is loose and works nice and easily. These little needles. So excuse my dirty nails, that's just all the grease that I've been cleaning from the old knitting machine. I've got a right old state with it, so please excuse my dirty nails, they're not usually like this. But make sure the needle is nice and loose, and once I've given it a good scrub with a toothbrush, I give it a wipe, and then I dip the end back into the alcohol and then just put it with the pile of the cleaned ones, and then they are all done as clean as I'm going to get them. They're all nice and flat and straight. So I've done these few and I've got the rest of them to do. There's 108 in total, so I shall be here for some time, but I think it's a job worth doing, and it's just a last resort really. I prefer to use new ones, but just as a backup in case the new ones don't fit, I've got these to fall back on just to test the machine out. So that's where I am at the moment, and I will keep posting and let you know how I'm getting on. So bye for now.